It's another dog walk. I'm taking a break from writing a business plan at home to give the dogs a good walk. And I hate writing business plans. When I converted tdaonp from a sound engineering company to a writing and internet content production company, it all sounds very grand, but just means I write my butt off and make some videos. But anyway, when I started the transformation of tdaonp, I consciously, difficult word, consciously ignored the fact that I had to make money, just to make sure I could really concentrate on writing and producing content and find a modus operandi for that. But you know, when the bread grows stale and the cheese becomes a little moldy, you really do have to think about turning this into a money-making machine. And I really do not like that. Simply because I feel that writing a business plan about something I love doing and love sharing with you guys means I'm kind of cheating people. Because I have to start thinking about earning money with what I am gladly giving away for free at the moment. So this dog walk video might be viewed as a full disclosure video. I need to make money, but I also promise that I will always have free content on the internet available. And writing the business plan actually makes everything a lot more clear for me and also for the tax office and maybe future investors. And what I also try to convey with this video is that I want to be totally open to those that watch my stuff on the internet, read my texts, watch my videos and listen to my podcasts.